How to hide Instagram's following list. Hey everyone, if you are wondering how you can do that, let's get right into the video. First thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app, and then from here, you just head over to your profile section. So if you want to hide your following list from public eye, what you can do is make your account private. But as you can see here, I have a professional account. So first thing you have to do is turn off this professional account in order to make your account private. Um, You have to note that your followers will always be able to see your following list, but if you want to make it hidden from the public eye, you could do that by making your account private. So simply tap on the account privacy option here. You don't even have to turn it off manually. You could just head over to settings and then scroll down until you find account privacy, and then simply go ahead and make your account private. When your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have Instagram account. So what you could do is turn it off. Now you're going to have to switch to private account. What it does is it will also turn off your professional mode. Now tap on switch to private. As you can see, it says the creator account cannot be private, so you're going to have to switch to personal account first. So head over to your creator tools and controls, switch account type, and then switch to personal. And once you switch it back to personal account, now you can try to make it private. So just wait for it to load completely. Now as you can see, account has been switched. Now I can just go ahead and make my account private. And as you can see here, if I go back to my profile, and there will be a lock right besides my username right here, and then that indicates the account is private. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.